Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve a common problem many of you might face. How to pay for Disney Plus using Google Play. This method is especially useful if you have a Google Play balance you'd like to use for your subscription. If you're trying to subscribe on Disney Plus and prefer using your Google Play balance, it might seem a bit tricky at first. However, with the right steps, you can easily link your Google Play account to your Disney Plus subscription. To start, open the Disney Plus app or website on your mobile or PC. Then add a debit or credit card that is associated with your Google Play account. This step is crucial because it ensures that your payment method is linked to a Google Play. Next, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device and sign in into your account. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, then select Payment and Subscriptions. Under Subscription, you should see your Disney Plus subscription if you have already signed up. And that is it. By following the simple steps, you can easily pay for Disney Plus using Google Play. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech video problem solving tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.